Hi, I'm going to show you how to do a Rubik's Cube layer by layer, 20 seconds per layer. Okay, this is scrambled, I'll just finish it off with some scrambling it. That'll do. Here we go then, 20 seconds per layer. I'm going to start with the green. 3, 2, that's it, you can see it. 3, 2, 1, go. That's the first layer done, about 20 seconds. We're now going to do the second layer in about 20 seconds. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. That's the second layer done, about 20 seconds. And finally, the third layer in about 20 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. That's done. 20 seconds per layer. How to do the cubic rube in overall a minute